everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover or retrieve a message on Facebook Messenger. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, in order to recover or retrieve your messages on Facebook Messenger, go and tap open your Facebook application. Sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in to your Facebook homepage, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right corner, and then from this page, scroll all the way down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Now your account settings, security, privacy, and lots of other pages will be opened in this page. Now scroll all the way down to your Facebook information, and under your Facebook information you'll be able to see Download Your Information option. Tap on Download Your Information, and from this page you'll be able to download a copy of your Facebook information, which includes your messages, posts, saved item and collections, and much more. In order to recover your messages, tap on Deselect All at the bottom and simply tap on the Messages option and then scroll all the way down, and once you reach all the way down to the bottom of the page, tap on Create File. Before that, you can tap on this Data Range option and either select All of My Data or Date Range. Once you select the Date Range option, you'll be able to recover the message from the following date. If you want to recover all of your data, tap on All of My Data. Select the format for your download. Make sure to set it on HTML, and under Media Quality, select from high to low. Let me select the high option. And finally tap on Create File. Once you do that, your download request has been made and all the messages that you want to recover is being downloaded. Now the copy of your information is being created. You'll need to wait for some time in order to be able to view the downloads that has been made. It may contain more than one file depending on how much information you have. Once your download is completed, Facebook will let you know so that you can download it to your preferred devices. You'll be able to receive a notification to help you to download the file. You don't need to worry about that. After you receive the notification, you'll need to click on the notification and tap on the download button next to the file you want to download, and you may need to enter a password to download the file for better security. And after you do that, you'll be able to get a copy of the file that has been saved on your system. You can access the file from your Android device to recover deleted text whenever you want. That is how you can quickly recover Facebook Messenger messages. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.